Here's a 2011 Buick Regal. Make an impression in this expectation-shattering Regal. The race-inspired accents hint at the thrilling ride ahead. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: AM/FM satellite radio, wireless phone connectivity, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, selective service internet access, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, metallic paint, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. From New Car Test Drive, we found the Regal very quiet, with a very smooth ride, a welcome respite on miserable commutes, and a good partner for cross-country drives. It may be the quietest car in its class. Buick. Expect more than you'd imagine. Hurry in today for a test drive.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.